cooking with Maddie. Oh crap. It's baking. Welcome to Baking with Maddie. Alright, let's get this done. Step 1, preheat oven to 325. Okay, how do you use this? It's not, bake. Yeah. There we go, 325. Okay, so we're gonna lightly grease the pan. We're gonna use this butter flavor spray. I usually use it, so. And usually, by usually I mean a few days ago when I baked something. I don't remember. Because I don't do this ever. Okay, greased. We're gonna get 1/4 cup of water.
Not 1 1/4.
Because last time I did it, I accidentally read it as 1 1/4 cups of water, and it turned actually like really gross, and we just threw them away. And this was like a week ago, and no one ate them because they turned into literal rubber. It was so gross. Sorry, I had to check if it was recording. What am I doing? Oh, getting water. Water, 1 1/4 cup.
No.
A 1/4 cup water. Help. What's a 1/4 cup? Okay, we have our 1/4 cup of water. 1/2 cup vegetable oil. Done. Okay. Okay. We're gonna do our oil. Our water. Now we got our egg. Oh shoot, how am I gonna do this with one hand? Oh my god. At least I tried. Ew. Oh god, don't follow my instructions. Okay, now we're mixing this water, oil, and egg. Oh, it's on the floor. Ah! These chocolate chips, they're really yummy. And we're just gonna, like so. You could even add like not chocolate chips, what the heck? Peanut butter in it and like swirl it. Adding them between a layer actually makes it really ooey gooey. Instead of doing, you know, like all at once and then the chocolate chips on the top, you do it in the middle. The finished product, not really, but that's okay. Okay, so this says do it for like 40-45 minutes or so. We'll try 30 minutes and see how that goes, and then yeah. I think you'll never be
or you be left in the dust. You don't make
Love
it
it.
easy, no. Wish I could be there for you, even if we gotta risk it all right now. I know you're scared of the unknown. You don't wanna be alone,
Make
but
cute
it's out of my
form.
control. Unless I stuck by you,
Wow.
you're the sunflower. I think
Good.
Hey, that's pretty good.
It's been about 30 minutes now, so let's see what this toothpick. Don't burn myself. Okay, it's actually pretty decent over here, but it doesn't look like it over there, so we're gonna put it in a little water. Alright, so we're done now. They're pretty decent. That's cool too, I guess. I really don't want to burn myself. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Yay. So they turn out pretty decent. Good. A+. Now let's let these cool. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment below if you want more videos like this or any tips you want to give me. Leave a like for brownies because we love brownies. Tune in next week for more dope videos. I'm a mess.
I just don't like who I am.
Who's calling me? Hello?
Taco Bell, but no, I am saying you can't eat Taco Bell.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.